Hi, this is Q the VTuber, giving a tutorial on how to create fractals in DaVinci Resolve. So, what you'll want to do is go into your media pool area and say new fusion composition. I'm going to set the frame rate to 30 frames a second because that's what I record at. However, we're only ever going to be using one frame from here. So we create that, drag it into our timeline, and open it in the Fusion page. Now, because this is a rather complicated shape, if we were to use the bitwise, if we were to use the bitmap based operations in Fusion, it would cause Fusion to grind to a halt. Even using the shape-based versions, if you overdo this, you can cause DaVinci to crash. So keep that in mind. We'll go into sRender. This is a rendering node which will take our shape-based logic and turn it into a bitmap to be outputted to our media out. The next step is we're going to have an S-merge here to merge all of our shapes together. And this fractal is based on a triangle, so we will create a triangle with the SN-gon node. Okay. Now, SN-gon defaults to being a hexagon, which is the bestagon. However, we want a triangle for this. So let's set it to a triangle. For the time being, we are just going to have the outline. So switch solid off, switch, give it a little bit of points into border. Next step, we're going to set the width and the height to be equal. So we go equal in height, drag that to width. We change the angle, be 90 degrees, so the point points up. And now we expand our triangle a bit and drag it down so it is in the middle and sort of fills up in our entire screen. That is all the prep work done. Next step, we hold down Alt, we click on this arc here, and we put a little null node. So we'll go next after that, S-transform. This will reshape any shapes that come through it. So we go in there and out there. And we want to reduce the size of the triangle by half. So we'll just make the size equal there. Set U to 0.05 and move the X and the Y offsets so that it is sitting inside the original. We make another copy of our transform and merge this one in as well. Slide U across. That's a little curious why it's like that. Copy that. So now we have three triangles. We remove the original to make a neat little triforce. And we'll just check that our triangles are properly aligned at the edges. And they're not. And we just want the vertices to sit on top of each other. That's good. Okay. We'll now make this solid. And that is the first iterative step. We'll group these together. And that group is our first level of the fractal. Now if we copy it, and we go Control-Shift-V, we get our second level. We can then group these together. Go copy and Control-Shift-V. That gets our third level and the fourth level as well. We group those. And we go group those, copy, Control-Shift-V, and that's probably about as far as we can safely go. But that gives us the fractal. We can then use various transforms to animate this and have neat little scaling animations. Now, we can use transforms and keyframes to rescale this and have cool animations. One trick you can do is when you're scaling in, you can crossfade to a full-size picture, so you get a nice, smooth, infinite recursion. Also, there is another cheaty way of getting a fractal in DaVinci Resolve. You go into there, click on Mandelbrot. There's a built-in Mandelbrot set. Thank you for watching my little tutorial. If you would be interested in seeing more content like this, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.